G'day, it's a Saint here on my famous rooftop with my harbour views of Sydney. Behind me you usually see the harbour bridge, the Finger Wharf and the Opera House. You can just see the Finger Wharf there, but you cannot see much else at all. This morning the sky was bright red, it was like Mars, and it's actually getting more brown. This is a dust storm that's going right across Australia at the moment. You can hear fire alarms going everywhere. Everyone's fire alarms are going off because the air is full of dust. And this is just amazing. I just cannot describe the feeling of this place. This is the first day of spring. If you believe in omens, what does the omen tell us about the first day of spring? A dust storm, there are bushfires around the country, and the dust storm comes into Sydney, the first day of spring. What does this mean? Listen to all those sirens. It's like Beirut with a red sky on Mars. Just amazing. I don't think the Navy can save us here. Just as far away next to the harbour with the breeze, inland it must be unbearable to breathe. I'm just amazed. I don't know if you can see how red it is, but it's a red sky, I can assure you. God bless you, the Saint.